Welcome to day 3 of our somatic journey. Today we focus on soothing the nervous system and quieting the mind. Through slow, long-held poses and conscious breathing, we return to a place of inner zen. You will need a blanket for this practice, and if you have any other props that you would like to bring in, by all means do so. And we'll get started in an extended leg forward fold. So sending the legs straight out in front of you, maybe take a few little rocks side to side, moving the flesh out so you can really feel yourself rooted and grounded through the sit bones. Bringing the hands out in front of you, taking a little walk into this forward fold and making it very passive, very gentle, very soft, rounding through the upper back, through the shoulders. It might feel good too to even just flip the palms facing up, kind of gets away from the mind or the body thinking we have to pull ourselves in some sort of way. And allowing the legs to disengage. Dropping the head, chin into chest. Relaxing your jaw. And consciously breathing into your back. So inviting in that expansion with the inhale. And inviting in the release and softening on the exhale. Let's take a cleansing breath. Inhale, fill up the back. Open mouth, exhale. Bringing your palms back to the mat. Bring them by the thighs or by the hips. Press in to the mat to bring your upper body back up. Let's take a pause here for a second, tuning into the sensations and the release through the legs, through the spine, the back. Full breath in. Full breath out. Opening the eyes into a wide-legged forward fold now. So extending the legs out to the side, taking that same little rock side to side, creating that space, that openness through the sit bones, through the root chakra, the pelvic floor. Inhale, lengthen, lift, and then exhale, walking into your fold here. Doing your best to not have the knees or the feet roll in or roll out. Want to keep them up towards the ceiling. And softening here, melting into this pose, making this very calming, very nourishing. And now consciously breathing, sending the breath all the way down into the legs. And taking one more breath here. Walking the hands back in as you bring your upper body back up. We'll take that pause, that moment of tuning in, that moment of release. Letting any tightness or tension that was held in the legs, letting that go. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Opening the eyes. Let's support bringing that right leg over to meet the left. And now grabbing your blanket, we're going to come down onto our backs. And So the other day we did bridge pose. Come back into your bridge foundation of the legs. And then you're going to curl your tailbone up just as we did. Lift the hips, and you're going to place the blanket underneath the hips. Just a little added cushioning here. Good. Wiggle your shoulder blades away from one another. And then we're going to bring the knees into the chest. First, just pausing here, feeling this nice lower back opener stretch here. And you may also feel this in your glutes. Let's take a full breath in, breathing into the belly to the back. Open mouth, exhale. Feeling your upper body sink down. And now extending the legs all the way up, coming into a variation of legs up the wall. In yin, we call this pose waterfall. And then bringing the arms to the mat, to the floor, palms facing down, relaxing through the arms. You can have a micro bend in the knees if the hamstrings are really tight. Let your feet be about hip width distance. This is a great pose to calm the nervous system, release stress, and especially if you're on your feet a lot. Let's take a full breath into the belly, into the back. Open mouth, exhale, inviting in that opportunity for the body to soften, to release, decompress. And taking one more breath here. Bending the knees, hugging the knees into the chest once again. Full breath in. Full breath out. Releasing the arms, lowering your feet back to your mat. And same way as we came into this pose, we'll come out of it. So you're going to curl your tailbone up, pressing into your feet, lift the hips, take your blanket out, just set it off to the side, slowly lowering the upper body back down, the hips back down. Untuck the tailbone, neutral position for the low back for the spine. Rest your hands on your belly. Let's take a full breath in. And a full breath out. Extending the legs all the way out, coming into Shavasana. Send your feet to the corners of your mat. Maybe you bring the blanket underneath your head for a little added support. Let the arms just fall to the side, palms facing up. Wiggle the shoulder blades away from one another. Give a little flex in the feet. Send those toes towards you. Send the heels away. Release the flex. Closing your eyes gently, relaxing your jaw. Inhale, filling up your whole body. Open mouth, exhale, allowing the body to decompress. And bringing some gentle movement back into your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes, your wrists, your ankles, rocking your head side to side. Reach the arms back behind you, bring the legs in together, point through the toes, reach through the fingers, take a full breath in. As you exhale, flex the feet, toes towards you, heels away. And then bending the knees, bringing your feet back to your mat. We will hug the knees back into the chest. Take a few rocks side to side. Rolling over to one side and then making your way up to a easy seated pose. Good. Hands on the knees, sitting up nice and tall. Relax the shoulders down the back, closing your eyes gently, relaxing your jaw. Take a cleansing breath. Tuning in, notice how the body's feeling. Allowing this calming energy to continue to nourish and nurture your body as a whole. And then bringing in gratitude, thanking yourself for making it here on your mat today, making it here for day 3. Let's take a full breath in and a full breath out. And opening the eyes. Thank you for joining me for day 3. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 4. From my heart to yours. Namaste.